Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious Greek yogurt jello. The flavor is ube. I know that you guys are really going to love it. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious and very creamy jello made out of Greek yogurt and ube extract, these are my ingredients. I have ube extract, color, and flavor. Condensed milk, unflavored gelatin, a little bit of vegetable oil to grease my mold, regular milk, 4 cups of Greek yogurt. Any type of yogurt you have at home. But let me tell you, Greek yogurt really makes a lot of difference. So let's get started. I want to first prepare my mold. To this silicone mold, I am going to add a little bit of vegetable oil. I'm adding it right in the center, and then I'm going to help myself with a paper napkin. I am going to make sure that every little crevices is covered with the vegetable oil. The reason that we're preparing our mold is so that our jello comes out perfect and it doesn't stick to the mold. This is very important. Take your time when you're greasing your mold. Once this is done and you took the excessive oil out, then you're ready to just put it aside. And here I have 1 cup of regular milk, and I'm adding 3 tablespoons of unsweetened gelatin. I am going to incorporate it really good, making sure that all the unsweetened gelatin really incorporates into the milk. And once this is done, I am going to put it aside so it blooms. And here I am ready to add 4 cups of Greek yogurt. Yes, 4 cups of Greek yogurt. I am going to add it in here. I'm going to add 1 whole can of condensed milk. Remember that the sweetness is to taste. I am going to incorporate it really good, making sure that everything is nice and incorporated. Look at this. Once this is done, and you know that the Greek yogurt and the condensed milk are really incorporated, then I am ready to show you how creamy this is. Make sure you take out of the refrigerator your Greek yogurt at least 2 hours before making this amazing jello. Well, once this is done, let me show you how the mixture of the gelatin is. It's nice and thick. It has bloomed completely. And now I'm going to take it to the microwave for a couple seconds until it's nice and liquidy. And now I am ready to add it into the mixture of the yogurt. Do not get scared if it starts getting really clumpy. That's normal because of the gelatin. I'm just going to incorporate. I'm taking it to the stove and I am going to cook it for a couple minutes. You're going to notice that it's going to get really clumpy. Don't worry. This is normal. You don't want this mixture to boil, but you do want it to get nice and warm so all those lumps really go away. And it really doesn't take too long, just a couple minutes, and you will notice that everything is going to become very liquidy like milk, just nice and thick. I am going to continue mixing. And after you're mixing for a couple minutes, you're going to notice that there's no more lumps. This is when you know that it's time to remove it from the heat. Turn off the heat and let's add our ube extract. This ube extract is really delicious, really concentrated flavor and color. And I'm using 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon is more than enough. Look at the color. It's a very purple An amazing color. Well, here I'm just going to incorporate it really good. Remember that this mixture is nice and hot. It's not too hot, but it's warm. And now before I put it on my mold, I'm going to put it through a sifter, making sure that there's no lumps. Remember, we didn't have it boiling. We only got it nice and hot. And of course, I'm going to have to remove the plate from the bottom because I really want the shape of the heart. And now I am ready to cover it, put it in the refrigerator overnight, and let it rest all night. And the next morning, we'll see how this jello is going to come out. I am sure it's going to be so creamy and delicious. I can't wait to enjoy it. Well, this is the next morning. I am going to remove the plastic film that I had right on the top so it doesn't absorb the smell, the odor of the refrigerator. And now I am ready to remove it. Let's see how this came out. I hope it comes out perfect because I really greased my mold nicely. And let's reveal. Look how beautiful this looks. Really nice and thick, nice and creamy. And let's see. I can't wait to dig into it, to cut a little piece, to see how creamy this is. Look at that beautiful purple heart. Just amazing. And now this is the best part, slicing a piece. If you got to this part of the video, you like and you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And I hope that you make this amazing ube jello made with Greek yogurt. Let me tell you, it really comes out perfect every time. And now let me show you how creamy this is. This just looks amazing. And I can't wait to enjoy. I am ready to cut a little piece and show you how delicious and how creamy this is. Oh my God. Let me tell you. Look how creamy this is. The texture is just amazing. I hope you make it and I hope you enjoy it. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing jello made of yogurt and ube extract. This is the part I really love and enjoy tasting my recipes. This is really so creamy, but let's taste it. Excuse me. The flavor of the ube, amazing. So creamy. So delicious. Let me tell you, make it, enjoy it with your beautiful family like I enjoy it with my family. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this creamy and delicious jello made at home with lots of love. See you soon. Bye-bye.